recipes that make images look awesome on Instax prints. So something a little bit different, a bit of food for thought. And, you know, if you say, but I don't have an Instax printer, first of all, I would recommend you should go out and get one because they're really a lot of fun. But I'm sure these prints will also look really good if you just print them normally, which is what we want to do with our images anyway, right? There are 3 recipes here that we've lined up. And Ritchie, can I invite you to share a little bit about the different recipes?
Sure. So Kodak Ultra Max 400, that one's going to be compatible with the newer X-Trans 4 cameras. So the X Pro 3 and newer. It's Kodak Ultra Max 400 was obviously it's modeled after a film that was kind of a consumer grade film that a lot of people used. And we found out that recipe in particular was, I think, our favorite for printing on Instax. It looked really good.
This recipe itself is really, really awesome anyway. And it lends itself for beautiful prints.
So if you have a compatible camera, try the recipe. And if you have an Instax printer, print them on your Instax mini film.
Yes. But if you don't need to worry. We also have some other recipes that work well.
Yeah, so we have the next one on here is the vintage Agfa color. This is actually a earlier recipe, one of the earlier recipes that I made a while ago, but it's compatible with X-Trans 3. You can use it on X-Trans 4. It's got a very vintagey kind of feel to it, and it turns out it also works well on Instax.
Yes, I absolutely love it. I have used it quite a bit recently. And I just, it's just a really nice, in this case, it was a really nice summery kind of a feel that I got from the pictures. And I really enjoyed shooting the recipe itself. And as it turns out, it, resolves really nicely on printing as well. And there's one more.
There's one more. And this one was made on... if I remember correctly, the XT30 is compatible XT30, XT3, Fujichrome Sensia 100. Obviously, a Fujifilm modeled after a Fujifilm slide film. That's they don't make anymore. But it also, I like that recipe in general, and I think it also does pretty well on Instax. So.
Yes, it does. So try them all out. Thank you so much. Thanks again to everyone who's been watching also from my side. It's been wonderful. Please do keep safe, keep shooting, and share your creations with us. We can't wait to do it again next month. Until then, keep safe and goodbye for now.